everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Renee Roxanne. Today I'm going to show you this super cute, bouncy, heat-styled curly hair. If you want to see how we get this Valentine makeup, go ahead and click that card above. Today is day 28 of 33 days with the silk press. I did Cornrows in my last hair video. To learn how I did this hairstyle on myself, make sure to click that card above or in the description box below. Cross your fingers and let's get right into this video. So it's been 4 days with these Cornrows, but I want to make this look pop. I'm going to split my hair in a half up, half down style, and then folding the right side directly in half and then the left side in half as well. Hold the hair firmly at the base. I'm using a Scrunchii Evolution to secure my hair. You get this super cute bow and I love it! I'm using the Pearson brush to brush out the curls and to smooth out my hair. Now it's time to add a little pizzazz to this look, and today I'm going to add heat styled curls. I have never added heat to my hair after a silk press, but today we're going to cross the bridge together. Make sure to use the temperature sheet that comes with your hair straightener. Because my hair is already straight, I'll be using the temperature setting at 23 at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using the BaByliss Pro 1.5 inch straightener. I'm parting out a small section. Make sure to always apply a heat protectant. I'm using the Silk Elements olive oil. I'm brushing in the product and smoothing the hair. Hold the hair straightener at a downward angle with your hand in front of the hair. Clamp down firmly on the straightener and begin to turn your wrists to add tension and allow all of the hair to pass through and curl and wrap around the straightener. Hold the tip of the straightener for leverage, tension, and keeping it closed as you continue to curl the hair downward all the way out to the ends. Just to demonstrate once more, I am spraying my hair with thermal protectant, brushing it out to smooth it and holding my hair nice and taut, and then putting my hand in front of the straightener. I am holding the tip and wrapping my hair around with tension, allowing all of that hair to pass through the straightener until I get out to the ends. And then we have a nice, cool looking curl. Pull and stretch the hair out and apply your favorite size Flexi Rods over the top of the hair and roll up. Take both ends of the Flexi Rod and close them together. Your hair will fall over. I'm going to continue to do this for my entire hair. It really is that simple. Honestly, it's my first time as well. I am allowing my hair to overlap over itself when I roll it up. Give me some tips down in the comments what you think I could have done different or better, and just enjoy the video. Thank you! The last Flexi Rod is in, and this style actually took less than 15 minutes to create. Now it is time to use our Got2b Ultra Glued hairspray and spray it all over to get these curls to hold and stay in place. So I only slept on it for one night, and the very next day was Valentine's Day, and I'm taking my bonnet off to reveal this hair, and the bun is all flat, but I fixed it up and it's looking nice and cute again. And now it's time to open up our Flexi Rods. First, I'm going to apply some Moroccan Argan Oil to my hands to add some sheen and to help prevent any frizz and pulling and tangling. You want to open your Flexi Rod. You want to use one hand to hold one end of your Flexi Rod and use the other hand to hold your hair in place as you unravel counterclockwise in the opposite direction of which you created your curls. Now look at how that juicy curl snapped right back. The curls are so tight. Oh my goodness. You want to gently take the Flexi Rods out without creating any knots and tangles, any pulling or breaking of your hair. Oh my goodness, this is so cute! Oh! Take out one of the loose Flexi Rod sections, starting at the back of your head, and use a hairpin to put the rest of the hair up and out of your way. Add some more hair oil to your palms and fingertips to add shine and moisturize your hair as you do the takedown. Hold that section, stretching it out, and reach in at the root. Use one finger to finger coil them around a few times, starting at the root with slight tension until you reach out to the ends of your hair. Continue to reach in at the root as you create more smaller sections and finger coil them around a few times. This is going to add volume, texture, and life to the curls because they're currently looking flat. Look at the right side in comparison to the left side of our hair. So you definitely want to go in and finger coil and fluff your hair once you're done taking out your Flexi Rods. Oh my gosh. I feel like a little Barbie. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, you guys. Oh my, oh, I could swing. Look how freaking cute and bouncy this hair is. Oh my gosh. I love it. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I hope that you enjoyed how we got to this final look. If you did, please drop some hearts down in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, ring that notification bell, and you will see me in the next video. Bye for now.